A trading setup is a defined framework that helps traders make consistent, repeatable decisions in the market. It combines price structure, indicators, and strategy logic into a rule-based approach that eliminates emotion and guesswork. In this final chapter of Module 2, we'll show you how to build a simple but effective trading setup using the tools you've learned. A trading setup is a repeatable situation that signals a trade opportunity when certain technical conditions are met. Key components, entry criteria, exit criteria, stop loss and take profit, position sizing, confirmation indicators. Let's walk through a basic setup for trading in the direction of the trend. Example rules: trend filter, price is above the 50-day EMA. Momentum signal, RSI is above 50 but below 70. Entry trigger, MACD line crosses above signal line. Stop loss, below recent swing low. Take profit, 2x risk, or when RSI reaches 70. This creates a repeatable structure for identifying and executing trades. Before applying your setup with real money, backtest. Apply the setup to historical charts to see how it would have performed. Demo trading. Use simulated platforms to build confidence and tweak parameters. Keep a journal to track setups, outcomes, and improvements. Always respect your stop loss and target. Avoid moving stops based on emotion. Don't take random trades outside your setup. Discipline is key. No setup is universal. Adapt based on your personality and time horizon. Scalpers versus swing traders will use different triggers and tools. Review performance monthly and improve your strategy. A trading setup defines your actions ahead of time and removes emotion from trading. Combine indicators like RSI, MACD, and MAs with clear entry-exit logic. Backtesting and demo trading are critical before going live. Success is not about predicting, it's about executing a tested edge consistently. Next up, in Module 3, we'll shift focus to fundamentals and macro analysis, understanding the economic and company-level forces that shape market behavior.